Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Victor Fine at Keller Williams Realty. Today I'm breaking down the types of homes you should never buy in 2025 and beyond. Number 1. The too good to be true flip. Flipped homes might look like a bargain or dream come true. Modern finishes, trendy paint, new appliances, but not all flips are created equal. Some investors rush renovations, using cheap materials and quick fixes to maximize profits. That brand new kitchen you fell in love with, it might be covering up bad plumbing, faulty wiring, or structural issues. Always get a thorough inspection and check the issue of permits before you fall for the pretty packaging. Number 2. The foundation disaster home. A home with a foundation problem is like a ticking time bomb. If you notice large cracks in the walls, uneven floors, or doors that won't close properly, you might be looking at tens of thousands of dollars in repairs. Some markets are seeing a rise in foundation issues due to weather changes and poor construction. So make sure you always get a structural inspection before buying. Number 3. The overpriced bubble home. 2025 is seeing market shifts, and some homes are still riding the wave of inflated pandemic prices. Don't be the buyer who overpays at the peak. Research neighborhood trends, compare recent sales, and don't let FOMO, fear of missing out, pressure you into a bad deal. A great home at the wrong price is still a bad investment. Number 4. The flood and disaster risk home. Insurance rates are skyrocketing. Some homes are becoming uninsurable due to climate risks. Wildfire-prone areas and hurricane hotspots are seeing major insurance hikes or even companies pulling out completely. Before buying any house, check FEMA flood maps, local climate risks, and insurance costs, because a good deal today could be a financial disaster tomorrow. Number 5. Homes with title issues. Always perform a title search. Before you sign anything, you need to check the title history. You could end up with a legal nightmare. These are a few reasons why you must do a title search. A home's title is its legal history. If there are liens, unpaid taxes, ownership disputes, or even fraudulent claims, you could lose your rights to the property even after buying it. This is why you must always perform a title search and get title insurance. It protects you from hidden debts, legal battles, or someone else claiming your home. Before you buy, make sure you get a trusted title company or real estate attorney to make sure the property is 100% clear. A few $100 now could save you thousands in the future and your home in years to come. Don't take risks with your biggest investment. Number 6. Homes with unpermitted additions. Buying a home with unpermitted additions can come with serious risks and hidden costs. Local building codes require permits for structural, electrical, and plumbing work. If the addition wasn't approved, it may violate zoning laws. You could be forced to bring the addition up to code, which could be very, very expensive. Unpermitted work may not meet safety standards, increasing risks of structural failure, electrical hazards, or plumbing leaks. Lenders may even refuse to finance a home with unpermitted work, making it harder to secure a mortgage. When you are ready to sell the house, buyers may hesitate due to the same risks, limiting your pool of potential buyers. Make sure to always compare the property details with county records. Number 7. Homes in declining neighborhoods. Home prices tend to decrease in declining neighborhoods, which can lead to financial losses if you plan to sell the house in the future. Many declining areas experience rising crime, which can affect safety, insurance costs, and overall quality of life. A neighborhood with many abandoned or foreclosed homes can lower property values and attract crime or vandalism. So what's the key takeaway today? Smart home buyers do their own work. Smart home buyers work with realtors that know what they are doing. Avoid rushed flips. Read the fine print on HOAs. Inspect for foundation issues. Watch for overpriced homes. And always factor in disaster risks. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you would probably make. Want more home buying tips? Hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate insights. And drop a comment below. I'd like to know, what's your biggest home buying fear? Let's talk. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.